So my people, Rivers State politics is heating up. Like, this is the reason why it will be very, very difficult for Nigeria to move forward. Like, it will be very, very difficult for Nigeria to be repaired. Yes, my people. Just because court blocks fund, like allocation, and then recognize pro-Wike lawmakers. This is the reason why Rivers State people are rejoicing. The money your governor is supposed to use for your own good in your own state. Now, federal government stop it, and then you are rejoicing. Just because Fubara said no to God fatherism in Rivers State. He said no to share the money of Rivers State people with Wike. This is the reason why all this brouhaha is happening in the Rivers State. And instead of people of Rivers State to protect Fubara, who is protecting their own interests, are now rejoicing because of federal government stop the allocation of Rivers State people. Then, which way, my people? Where are we heading to? So in this particular video, Fubara said that he is not scared of anything. Like, the worst thing that can happen to him is for him to leave office. Honestly, for me, Fubara has already done his own part in order to protect Rivers State people. But it's as if these people, like, they like these evil politicians. They keep supporting them to keep looting. So why are we even complaining? So my people, let me allow you guys so they can listen and hear what Fubara said in this particular video.
Excellency, former Governor of Rivers State, South Celestine Omehia, Your Excellency, the former Deputy Governor of Rivers State, Engineer Tyler Ikru, distinguished Senator Jordan Mbata, and also the President General of Ohaneze Ndibo General. Coincidentally, is also from my dear state, Rivers State, which also stands as another great and strong support on our grassroots base in Rivers State. Distinguished Senator A.M. Pepple, Senator Lee, our political engine room, Pastor Prince Secondus, former Minister for Transportation and Seaports and Airports, Chief Abie Sekebo, Dr. Samsam Jaja, former Deputy National Chairman of PDP. We have a list of personality here, but because of what of time, allow me to use one other, His Excellency Ojin Goffa, as a point of contact to every other distinguished guest that is here. The Secretary to the State Government, members of the State Executive Council that are here with us, members of the National Assembly that are here with us, and the State Assembly, our royal fathers, the chairman of Rivers State Council of Traditional Rulers and others that are here, permanent secretary, head of departments, our women, our very energetic, immediate past chairman. I can feel you people. I can feel you people. Don't worry. By the grace of God, we will bounce back. Gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, I would like us to take something, I want to do something different today. I want us to look at Philippians 3, verse 18 to 19. And it reads, "For as I've often told you before, and now I tell you again, even with tears, many live as enemy of the cross of Christ. Their destiny is destruction, and their God is in their stomach, and their glory is in their shame. Their mind is set on earthly things only." I want to say here today, and to assure everyone that has stood with us, our strength is not on earthly things. Our strength is in the supreme being. That even when we fail here, assuming has been contemplated, our victory is assured. Look, I want you to be in your highest spirit. It is not about who wins. It's about the glory and the honor of fighting gallantly. Being on the side of truth, not on the side of lies because of cheap favor. I want to assure you, all our supporters, I know the news that broke out on Friday must have dampened your spirit. Brace up. What is ahead is more than what we just passed. So, as a human being, I know you feel somehow, but just relax. God has our back. Our back is not on anybody, it's God. I want to thank you for your support and assure you that if there is one person on this planet Earth that will continue to stand by you, I will be that person. I assure you that I will lead you with honor. I will lead you with respect. And I will lead you with integrity. Knowing that when I leave here, I will have questions to answer. If I'm called upon 20 years, 30 years from today, I want to be proud to defend my position. So I thank you and assure you that I will not disappoint you. We must continue to tell the world that against what is being said, that there is no governance, that there is legitimate, purpose-driven governance in Rivers State. And we are here to display genuinely, not because of our own selfish interests, one of those things that this government have done to show that we appreciate, we understand the need, and we must continue to do what is right for our people. When we came on board, this building, just like as it's been described by the permanent secretary, it was a dilapidated building, completely uninhabitable. We felt we must add value, which is the basis of our governance, to what we meet. And we decided that, look, our staffs, they can't be living in uncomfortable place. They can't live like animals while I live in a big comfort in my place? Why would I get efficiency from my workers if they are not happy? And the government decided to embark on this project. And I'm happy that the contractor delivered it within the time limit. So let me thank the contractor, MCC. The MCC has been doing a lot of job for us, and they have been doing it diligently with so much commitment, knowing that we have a lot of people there trying to keep record of our activities, not on the good side, but on the bad side. So we need to be proving them wrong, showing them that we are government of transparency, government that is not hiding anything, government that even when it is believed that the things we did were not done right, they were able to show the world that this is the thing we intend to do, and this is how we're going about it. It is a future that anybody here knows that it was a challenge to previous administration. But we did it with ease because we don't have anything to hide. Just like the word said, we are not after our stomach, we are after the joy of our people. That at the end of the day, what will count for us is the life we have touched genuinely. The legacy will live that will speak for us, that will open doors for our children, our generations yet unborn. Knowing that and having that in mind, it spoils us. It forces me as a person to stand on the side of right, to stand on the side to do good, to stand on the side that even if anybody calls me tomorrow, I should be bold to defend my action. I'm happy that we have conceived this project, executed it, and by the special grace of God today, we're dedicating it to the glory of God. I thank God for that. Our leaders, I do not have anything to give to you. We have not even given you anything right from the time we started. We have been running a system where every time when we try to stabilize, one spinner will be thrown into our way. So for that reason, it's like bringing us to ground zero again, and we start afresh. But I will continue to thank you for supporting us without getting anything. Supporting us because you believe that it is the right thing to do for Rivers State. Let anybody not be deceived. There are faces today that will carry the symbol of some persons, and it will be a curse in this state. People should know that, because no matter how we've been fooled in this state, it has gotten to a point where this state have decided to take their destiny by their hands. In as much as I don't subscribe to violence, when the time comes for us to take a decision, I will lead the cause for that decision. Let me say it again, and let me say it again. I'm not scared of anything. The worst that will happen is me to leave the office. It's not. Am I leaving the earth? Is it going to stop me from existing? So I'm not even bothered about that. But the right thing must be done and must be said when the opportunity is given to us. So let me thank everyone, more especially our youth. Be strong. Don't be bad up. Be strong. I'll show you at the right time. You will get the instruction. So, our leaders, our good people of Rivers State, we thank you for your support. We are just starting today. We have a list of projects that we already outlined before the incident on Friday. But we're not going back on it. We must complete what we have already planned. And we will add, if need be, to what we have already decided to do for our people. Let everyone know, let it be recorded this morning that the interests of Rivers State remains my priority. It's above every other thing. Even if it means to pay the supreme sacrifice for it. I want, and I will not hesitate to do it. Let me, on this note, invite our leaders to join me as we commission this project to the glory of God and the good of humanity. Thank you, and may God bless you.
Welcome to Shammer Seniors TV. Gov